20. Farro salad with roasted vegetables, a hearty salad featuring nutty farro and a medley of roasted vegetables. Recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup farro, 2 cups water, 1 zucchini, diced 1 red bell pepper, diced 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1/4 cup feta cheese, crumbled to tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. In a pot, bring farro and water to a boil, reduce heat, cover, and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until tender. Drain and cool. On a baking sheet, toss zucchini, bell pepper, and cherry tomatoes with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast for 20 minutes. In a large bowl, combine farro, roasted vegetables, and feta cheese. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, balsamic vinegar, oregano, salt, and pepper. Pour over the salad and toss to coat. Serve warm or chilled. 22. Thai cucumber salad, a refreshing and tangy salad that features crisp cucumbers and a flavorful dressing. Recipe. Ingredients: 2 cucumbers, thinly sliced 1/4 cup red onion, thinly sliced 1/4 cup fresh cilantro, chopped. 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 clove garlic, minced 1 red chili. Thinly sliced. Optional. Instructions. In a large bowl, combine cucumbers, red onion, cilantro, and red chili. In a small bowl, whisk together rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, and garlic. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to coat. Serve chilled. 23. Arugula and pear salad, a fresh and peppery salad with sweet pear and a tangy balsamic vinaigrette. Recipe. Ingredients: 4 cups arugula, 2 pears, thinly sliced 1/4 cup walnuts, toasted, 1/4 cup blue cheese, crumbled to tablespoons balsamic vinegar, to tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a large bowl, combine arugula, pears, walnuts, and blue cheese. In a small bowl, whisk together balsamic vinegar, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss gently. Serve immediately. 24. Fennel and orange salad, a refreshing and citrusy salad with a hint of anise flavor from the fennel. Recipe. Ingredients: 1 fennel bulb, thinly sliced 2 oranges, peeled and segmented, 1/4 red onion, thinly sliced 1/4 cup fresh mint leaves, 2 tablespoons olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a large bowl, combine fennel, oranges, red onion, and mint leaves. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss gently. Serve immediately. 25. Lentil salad, a hearty and protein-packed salad with earthy lentils and fresh vegetables. Recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup green or brown lentils, cooked and cooled, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1 cucumber, diced, 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped 1/4 cup fresh parsley, chopped 1/4 cup feta cheese, crumbled to tablespoons olive oil, to tablespoons red wine vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a large bowl, combine lentils, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, parsley, and feta cheese. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, red wine vinegar, salt, and pepper. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss to coat. Serve chilled.